Hello viewers, in this video we are going to learn the logarithm equation. Let's take question 1, see solution. If you have 2 minus log 4, then we are solving 2 minus log 4. Remember that 2 in terms of logarithm is equals to 100. Log 100 is equals to 2. That is when dealing with the log, because the log, any log is in base 10. We have to prove that log 100 is equals to 2. We can say log 100 base 10. This is equals to x. Then we can have 10 raised by x is equals to 100. That is 100x is equals to 10 raised by 2. Therefore, x is equals to 2. This shows that this 2 is equals to log 100. Then we can say replace the 2 with log 100. We have log 100 minus log 4. This is equals to, we can apply the property says, which says if you have subtraction we can divide. Therefore we have log 100 divided by log 4. This is equals to 100 divided by 4. This is equals to log 25. As simple as this. Then let's take the second question here, which says log 5 plus log 8. We can solve log 5 plus log 8 by applying the properties of multiplication. When adding, we can easily multiply. We can say this is equals to log 5 multiplied by 8. This is equals to log 40. That is this. The last one, we can apply the property of division since the log is separated by negative. We have log 8 divided by log 3. Then we can simplify log 8 into by changing the 8 as the index. We take log 3 raised by 2 all over log 3. We can apply the property which says if you have log m raised by phi, this is equals to phi log m. Let's apply the properties here, which says here it can be 2 log 3 all over log 3. If we simplify this, finally you will get as this is 2, this is equals to log 3 and log 3 divided by log 3. Here would be the answer will be equals to 2. That's final answer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.